What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's see if we can get this video to 1,000 likes. So go down, drop a like on the video. I appreciate it, guys. All week, Illinois has been terrible for us. There's snow everywhere. Really hard to make videos when it's -2 degrees outside. So not a lot has been going on. A couple little updates on the truck. I did end up ordering, I can't even see it, it's all covered in snow. I did end up ordering the little trim piece for the top of the tailgate, so it looks complete now. Before, the trim piece wasn't there and it looked really incomplete, and everybody was always hating on me in the comments saying I need to order it, so I finally got that ordered. Looks great, matches the other trim perfectly, so really happy about that. Lone Star Throwdown crunch time has begun, guys. If you don't already know, Lone Star Throwdown 2020 happening in Conroe, Texas. I am leaving Tuesday. I'm driving the over 1,000 miles from Illinois to Texas to go to the show. A lot is going to be done in the next, 5 days? 4 days? I can't count. If you guys saw in the last video, I did reveal new headlights for the truck. I know I just got these, but long story short, the company that was originally going to send me headlights, I thought they weren't going to be done in time for Lone Star Throwdown, so I ended up buying these headlights just in case. They did end up pulling through. They got the headlights to me. So most likely on Saturday, you guys will be seeing a video of me installing the new headlights. They're crazy. If you haven't checked out the last video already, go check it out. I revealed a little bit of what they look like. Not going to show you all of it, guys. I want it to be a surprise, but they are killer. I can't wait to get those in. On the front of the truck, hopefully I'll be taking the bumper to my buddy's shop. I'm going to be sanding it down and repainting it if we have time, and then I might be picking up a new grill for the truck. I found somebody that wants to trade for this grill for a grill that I've been wanting ever since I saw pictures of a stock grill that's color match these colors. I've been dying to get one, so might be trading this grill for a stock color match grill. I think it'd look 10 times better. Comment down below what you guys would think. And I had a deal going on the wheels, but the guy ended up not being able to come and pick them up, so these are still for sale. 26 by 16 American Force Rooks on 40 by 15 50 R26 Fury off-road tires. The tires have a few thousand miles on them, 2,000 miles, and yeah, they're really nice. I'm selling them for $7,000 or best offer, so if any of you guys are interested, hit me up, comment down below, or DM me on Instagram at Gabe Pro Productions. We'll make a deal. Really, if they don't sell, guys, by the spring, I'm just going to take these wheels, throw them on Kaylee's truck, which would be insane, and then buy the wheels that I'm going to end up buying anyway. The trees look pretty with all the snow on it, but it's cold. The snow is really good for pictures, but other than that, we hate it. Yeah, I am okay without any snow. Alaska, keep your snow. I don't want it. And all the plow trucks ruin these beautiful trucks with their salt. We're dropping Kaylee off at work.
I'm dropping myself off.
She's dropping herself off at work, and I'm taking her truck back to my house. And we're off. I keep forgetting, but we really have to order this, the SCT mount that mounts right here to hold the tuner, because it being down there is kind of annoying. I barely ever talk about this truck, but I do actually have plans for this truck. This is a 99 F350 7.3. It's been my grandpa's forever. They bought it in like 2000. It had like 15,000 miles when they bought it. It has a 500,000 miles now. The only thing that sucks about it is that it's all rusty. This bed is kind of trashed, and up on the top of corners of the windshield, it leaks water and stuff. We try to cut or seal it up as much as we can, but I think it's time that I buy a new cab for this and then make it my tow rig. So my plan is the next few months, find a cab for this truck, put a new cab on it, new interior, undercoat everything, new wheels and tires, maybe a small lift. We will not be taking off this wood bed because we like it so much. Yeah, so comment down below what you guys think. You guys want to see a big build series on this truck in the next coming months? I think it'd be awesome. The 7.3 motor in this is unbreakable, pretty much. It just needs a new oil pan because it leaks a little bit. But other than that, the truck would be perfect with all new everything. I already found 2 cabs in like Texas for $2,000, rust free and everything. So definitely stay tuned. Comment down below if you guys want to see that happen for this truck. I think it'd be awesome for the channel. I'm gonna give you guys a little 7.3 cold start. The speedometer hasn't worked in like 100,000 miles, so that's why it only says 408. I got that question a few videos ago. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.